Yesterday I received an email from OpenAI telling me that the GPT Store is going to be delayed. While they originally planned it for early November, in an earlier video I already predicted that this is probably not going to work out due to the surge in ChatGPT Plus subscriptions and them closing subscriptions temporarily. Since then, an absolute soap opera or drama starring Sam Altman, Greg Brockman and the board of OpenAI played out right in front of our eyes. So it's no surprise that the GPT Store is going to be delayed till Q1 next year. Do you think they will make it in January? My guess would be that it will probably be the end of Q1. But what are your thoughts? I think it would still be amazing if they would make the store available for everyone and not just Plus subscribers, so that they have a much larger user base and people creating GPTs can actually earn an income there. But that also would probably take much more computing power than they currently have, when they cannot even handle the Plus subscriptions at this point. We are going to see how this all plays out next year, I guess. If you are one of the lucky people who got a Plus subscription before it got closed down, you probably know that GPTs are absolutely amazing and can be a true game changer. Definitely check out this video over here where I talk about how you can create a GPT.